Hey guys, let's talk about renovating a small bathroom. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation to Custom Homes, and here we had an objective to create a spa-like feel in a bathroom that was really small and only had a walk-in shower, a toilet, and a pedestal sink. So we reconfigured this bathroom. We also enlarged its footprint, which did take a fair bit of work to move over a lot of the mechanical and plumbing, but then we had this footprint that was still restricted. So when you're planning your bathroom renovation, especially in a smaller space, think about your fixtures. What do you need? So here we wanted to have a freestanding soaker tub. So we really had to look at what models were available, what were their sizes, would they fit and work practically for the client? And then looking next at what size of a shower do you want? Do you need a bench? How big does the bench need to be? So you need to really think about the layout and how it's all going to fit. Will your shower door open and swing into and strike the toilet across the way? So planning your door openings. You need a lot of storage? Great, what can we do? Let's address it with the vanity design, but also we have these niches built in to help hold shampoo bottles and other toiletries and things that you might want to access while using the tub or shower. So these are things to consider when laying out the space and to maximize your storage, the flow within the space. And then you have obviously your finishing touches to make it beautiful, like all this custom tile work, our lighting details that we have in here. We have a nice curbless shower, which gives a really nice feel for use, nothing to step over. And also in planning then the finishes as far as your hardware choices. This is something really cool to check out. If you can see this, I'm not too sure. A little pop-out coat or a robe hook. These little things really help to maximize the use of the space and really provide a great punch and end up with a remarkable ending to your project. So always think about the planning from the get-go. If you have any questions for us, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Leave a comment in the below for us. I'm Paul from Contract Renovations. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.